To delete a page on Meta Business Suite, you'll need admin access to that page. Let me walk you through the process. Head to business.facebook.com and log in. In the top left corner, click the account picker and select the page you want to delete. You'll see the page name and ID. Confirm your selection. Click Settings in the left sidebar, then select Page Settings. The Settings panel opens showing your configuration options. Find and click General within Page Settings. You'll see the page management options appear. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Look for an option called Remove Page with an Edit button next to it. Click Edit. A page lifecycle screen opens, showing deactivation and deletion options. Choose Delete Page, not Deactivate Page. Deactivation only hides the page and can be reversed. Deletion is permanent. A warning appears showing what you'll lose: all followers, posts, photos, reviews, and the page's username. Read the warning and click Continue. Your page enters a 30-day grace period. You have 30 days to undo this action if you change your mind. After 30 days expire, everything disappears permanently: followers, posts, photos, reviews, admins, all of it. The page's username becomes available for someone else to claim. One important note: the grace period gives you a window to reverse the deletion if needed. After that window closes, there's no recovery. Also, if you manage multiple pages, take a moment to verify you've selected the correct one before proceeding, since the deletion is irreversible after the grace period ends. That's how you delete a page on Meta Business Suite.